In the ever-evolving landscape of home cleaning, the Dreametech D9 Max robot vacuum and mop combo stand as a testament to innovation, seamlessly combining powerful suction, smart technology, and efficiency. This in-depth review takes you on a journey through the impressive features that make the D9 Max a game-changer, offering not just cleanliness but a lifestyle upgrade. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Super Suction Power, a cleaning powerhouse. Let's talk power, and we mean serious power. The D9 Max boasts an impressive 4000 PA suction force, making light work of dirt and messes on any surface, be it hard floors or deep within carpets. What sets it apart is its adaptability, offering 4 levels of suction to match the cleaning intensity with the degree of dirt. Say goodbye to stubborn debris. The D9 Max handles it all. Smart Cleaning LiDAR, navigating with precision. The D9 Max isn't just a cleaning device, it's a smart navigator. The advanced LiDAR navigation system elevates accuracy, mapping speed, obstacle avoidance, and route planning to a whole new level. This means faster, more efficient cleaning with fewer hiccups. The D9 Max knows your space as well as you do. Vacuum and mop 2-in-1. Effortless dual action. Why settle for one when you can have two? The D9 Max is not just a vacuum, it's also a mop. With a sizable 270 ml water tank, a generous 570 ml dust tank, and 3 levels of water flow, it seamlessly transitions between sweeping and mopping. Your home gets a thorough, dual-action cleaning with just one intelligent device. 180 mins over long runtime, clean without interruption. Say goodbye to constant recharging. The D9 Max houses a high-capacity 5E200 mAh battery that ensures an extended 180-minute runtime. This means it can efficiently clean up to 690 square feet in a single charge, giving you more time to relax and less time worrying about charging interruptions. Efficiency at its finest. Smart App Control. Your cleaning hub. Take control of your cleaning experience with the Smart App. Adjust suction power, set up virtual walls, schedule cleaning sessions, and more, all at your fingertips. And if you're into the voice command trend, the D9 Max is Alexa compatible. Imagine giving cleaning instructions with just your voice and watching the robot respond instantly. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.